Hello everyone, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and welcome back to my channel. So, weekend 10 is here, right? I have a special episode today for you. The thing is, it's weekend 10 and it's again time for the exams. And I have an exam on Monday, and unlike the last time, I think this time I'll have to study. And I won't be able to go for any worthwhile ride to give you a motor vlog. But wait, there's more. But I do have something for you, and this time it's a bit special because it is a bit different. Last week, when I got you the Tincha vlog, where a monkey tried to attack me in Tincha, and also at riding about 70-80 kilometers an hour, I almost banged into a stupid Scorpio driver actually. So it was quite a happening vlog, and if you guys not seen it yet, the link is somewhere here. So I'll take you guys back in time, 1 week back, and you guys enjoy the vlog while I get to study. Okay? Bye. Okay, good afternoon guys. This is 3:35 in the afternoon, 7th of December 2018. And yes, it's a Sunday. I already have a vlog uploaded yesterday, and fortunately or unfortunately, I am going out again today. Courtesy Sandeep and Rebu behind.
Hi guys.
So the plan is we are going to go for a local trekking. Now when you say trek, it is not that sort of trekking. It's hardly about, I think, 600 or 700 meters of the height of one particular feature which you must have seen in a lot of my videos, which is Hathila, which you must have seen in my Birsha videos, also in my Kelod video also. So today we are going to scale Hathila and
enjoy the sunset.
And yes, sunset, as I always say, the sunsets in Mhow are amazing. Climb is not very easy. It is, I think, will be somewhere close to 30 or 40 degrees of a gradient. So we are all geared up. I have finally today got my shoulder mounted strap. As you can see, it was there with me for last 3-4 years, but I never got a chance to use it. And I've got my JBL also today. We will be having music while we are climbing. So that's okay. So we are almost halfway there. हमने अभी climb शुरू कर दिया है. And as you can see, this is the point जहाँ से थोड़ी सी gradient बढ़ेगा. And जैसा ही पहले ही लग रहा था, it is not very high, so I think maximum half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour we'll be there at the top. So we walked all this way, and right now we have started to climb up. So as expected, we'll have to wait for sunset for some time. So in a way that's a good thing, because we'll relax, chill out. I don't know how much of it is you guys are able to see, but I hope my angle at my shoulder mount is okay. But we're already starting to see what so much of height gives you. It gives you this view, and what a view it is. So guys, we're almost there at the top. And I know this song will give me copyright claims, but who cares? I'm not going to monetize my video anyway. Jai Shri Ram. Okay, so we are at the top finally. We took around half an hour. रिबू थक चुकी है अच्छे से.
Burn calories, burn.
सुबह से कैलोरीज ही बर्न कर रहे हैं ये लोग. और लास्ट टाइम ये लोग गए थे, लास्ट वीक दे हैड गॉन टू सिंगाचोरी. कहाँ गया वो? दैट पीक यू सी ओवर देयर इन द फेंट बैकग्राउंड. I'll see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there's a conical peak that was Singhar Chori, and they climbed that peak there last weekend. And this time we are here in Hathila. So really, it's not even 4:30 right now, and oh my God! Look at that view of that lake. That is Birsha Lake. Oh, that is a bonus.
Oh, this I did not expect. Amazing view of Bircha Lake from here, and sunset will be right above. Once again, I would like to say, overall, if you come here in June, July, then this particular view becomes 10 times more amazing. So this particular view sums up the entire landscape of Mau. In and around Mau, you will see all these small trig heights, and then this flat and undulating ground, and then built up area in between.
ये कौन सा गाना है? अबे गाना कहाँ से ढूंढे? कोई कॉपीराइट नहीं। ये गाना कहाँ से ढूंढा है ये? So Sammy is here giving a performance on a Hariwadi number. ओ मिस इंडिया का तन दे दूँ कितना Okay, this is called Firki in Punjabi Pangra. Yo! Oh, make it all sorry. Yeah! ये क्या है? ये कहाँ सीखा तूने? मस्त है, बहुत बढ़िया ये।
People say it's very difficult to find true friends in today's world, and especially if you have hobbies and passions, which kind of sets you in an unusual category of people. Well, I don't see that's true. Or maybe I'm just too fortunate to have so many friends around me who recognize me for who I am. I go back a long time with these two, and each one of them is so special to me. And I'm so glad that they are together today. I'm glad, to some extent, I had a little part in getting them together.
Okay, so guys, it is 5:54. So as you can see, we are right at the exact moment where sun is at its best right now. Although last 5 minutes we are thinking the sun is at its best, but every next second that we are looking at it, it's looking even better. Now I must say, all the sunsets that I've seen here this last 1 or 2 months, this has to be the best one. And it is the best, and some of it has to do with the lake in front of it. The view has gone 10 times better with the lake in it. हाँ तो sunsets in the west में.
It is a fact. It is a fact. Na? Now if you see sun setting in the west, then that is the beauty.
Oh, this is some other philosophy. अब सैमी का अपना philosophy है, संदीप का अपना philosophy है ये.
Oh, you guys are back. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you next week when finally I'll be able to ride again and give you guys a proper motor vlog. Till then, this is Deepak, the two wheels wanderer, signing off. Ride safe.